Obstacles mean nothing. How to ignore current reality while you're manifesting what you deeply desire. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and today we are soaring high, like a big beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. On this channel, we believe you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend on. So we're talking about waiting, that period of time from when you decide that you desire something, you want something, to that moment when it actually shows up in your life. Now, my belief, high flyers, is that everything that we desire is always present. It's up to us to tune into it, to tune into that frequency, into that vibration in order to manifest what we deeply desire and want. Now, chances are that if you are manifesting something right now that's very important to you, and perhaps it's that perfect person or a specific person. Maybe it's money. Maybe it's an increase in pay. Perhaps it's a new home, a dream vacation, a new car, better health, whatever it may be. If you are focused on manifesting it, there's a good chance that you are already in a state of want. In other words, you're in a state of lack. You want it because you lack it. Okay? And what happens when we're in a state of lack, high flyers, is we tend to attract more lack in our life. Just like the old saying, money attracts more money, lack attracts more lack. So high flyers, when you're in a state of lack for that specific person, that new car, that big bank account, that dream vacation, it's a challenge to ignore your current situation, to ignore the obstacles that seem to slow everything down, that seem to stop everything from manifesting in your life. Some law of attraction gurus will tell you to just ignore your reality. But that's difficult to do if somebody's knocking at your door wanting the rent. It's very difficult. If you're in emotional pain over the loss of a loved one, say through a breakup. I understand that. I've been there. So ignoring reality is a challenge. That may be the biggest obstacle of all. And I'm not going to tell you to ignore reality. What I'm suggesting is that you begin to work on yourself and create an inner paradigm shift. Yes, an inner paradigm shift into, I know this is going to sound crazy, don't tune me out, into a parallel timeline, a parallel reality. High flyers, I believe that you and I are co-creators of our reality. And that, they say when an airplane is flying across the country and it's on automatic pilot, it is moving slowly from one side to the other. It's going off course, and then the automatic pilot puts it back on course. And then it may go off to this side, and then the automatic pilot puts it back on course. So think about that. I believe that our journey together, our reality, our own reality, that we are shifting timelines just slightly. Our overall reality remains the same, but we're shifting timelines. And you see this all the time, where people all of a sudden, they have an inner shift of reality and boom, money flows to them easily. Or all of a sudden, people that have been apart, like clients I've had for 2 or 3 years, all of a sudden they're back together and they're deeply in love. It's crazy. It's this little paradigm shift in your inner reality. that causes you to, I'm getting excited about this, that causes you to shift your timeline just slightly. It causes you to shift your reality. And when you do that, you begin to attract what you desire. You begin to attract what you want, or even better. So how can you do this, high flyers? Because, as I said, you're not just here for the ride. You're not just on the boat. You're a captain. You are co-creator of your reality. Please stop right now and accept that. Accept that you are co-creator of your reality. And if you accept that, then you accept the responsibility and the power to shift your reality. So here's the key, high flyers. This is the key. Write this down. The reality you choose to believe is the reality you will achieve. In other words, high flyers, when we're focusing on believing a new reality over the reality that we see, over the obstacles that seem to be paralyzing us, when we accept and believe and get invested in that new reality, then all of a sudden everything begins to match that new reality. That is exactly how we co-create. So high flyers, it's not about fighting your current reality. I'm not asking you to do that. It's about understanding that you, within you, have the option and the availability to shift your reality by shifting your beliefs. When we get too hung up on our existing reality, and we're just so angry about our existing reality, and we try to resist it. And I have people that say, I'm doing the law of attraction. I'm resisting my current reality. Well, there's an old saying in the law of attraction. What you resist will persist. It's not about resisting. It's about taking that deep breath, letting go, and shifting your inner landscape, your inner dynamic, your inner mind, your inner reality, and thus attracting something completely different. It begins with your beliefs. So high flyers, first and foremost, I think we have to detach emotionally from our connection to lack. Whatever it is that we think we lack, a new car, a new home, more money, a relationship, whatever it is you believe that you lack, I believe you need to detach from that emotionally. Move away from the world of desperation. Desperation only attracts more obstacles, which means more desperation. Allow, I like that. Allow your clear and concise, not vague, clear and concise intentions to come to you easily and effortlessly. High flyers, I believe it's essential that we allow this new manifestation to happen organically. You can't force it. I have a client like that. Man, every time her ex-boyfriend and her start spending time together, she tries to force it. She tries to force it and push it. And I said, look, it's happening all by itself. You don't need to push it. You don't need to force the situation. I like this one, high flyers. Belief is essential. And what you think is difficult, believe that it's easy. That one thought changed my whole life. I mean that. That one crazy thought. One day I heard somebody say that money was too damn easy to make. And I go, where have I been all my life? I've always thought that money was difficult to make. I always thought that you had to work hard to make money. I always thought money was a challenge. And most of us think that way, right? And then I heard that and I thought to myself, oh my God, maybe money is easy to make. Because I see the people with a lot of money making money easily. You can too. And the same is true with your relationship. I hear people call me and say, well, do you think, Robert, I have a chance of saving my relationship? Well, with that attitude, of course not. But if you believe it's easy, that it's going to be rewarding, that you're going to learn along the path of creating a new loving relationship, then of course it will be. Believe what you think is difficult. Believe it's easy. Next, high flyers, open up to receiving signs from the universe. I didn't tell you this last night, Rachel. I get up to use the restroom and I saw a sign, 333. I haven't seen 333 but maybe once or twice in my entire life. I know exactly what it means. I know what the universe is telling me. And so we have several videos on this channel on signs, particularly numbers, 333, 444, 222, etc. Check those videos out, but be open to receiving signs from the universe. Every day, high flyers, every day, focus on gratitude as if it's already happened. I heard one law of attraction guru say, well, I don't believe in that act as if. Well, do you want to act as if it isn't going to happen? Is that what you want to do? That doesn't make any sense. Act as if what you desire is manifested or manifesting, either one. Act as if, and then give thanks for it, and then be grateful for it. It's a wonderful feeling. Hey, by the way, we were going through Starbucks today. We were driving through the line, and somebody paid for our Starbucks and our egg bites and everything else. What a wonderful thing. Let's all pay it forward. Here's some other videos that will help you on your journey.